RRB Staff Nurse Previous Year Paper. The formula for calculating the crude death rate is. The correct answer is B. No of deaths during the year mid-year population x 1000. What is pulse deficit? The correct answer is C. Difference between the apical and radial pulse rates. Anything which evokes a response in the organism is called the. The correct answer is C. Stimulus. Channeling of a strong and socially unacceptable drive or urge into a form that is acceptable to society is called as. The correct answer is B. Sublimation. What is the normal length of the neonate body? The correct answer is B. 50 centimeters. The proportion of clinical cases resulting in severe clinical manifestations is known as. The correct answer is B. Virulence. Enterotoxin food poisoning is mainly caused by. The correct answer is C. Staphylococcus. What is the nurse-patient ratio for teaching hospitals? The correct answer is D. Which is the plasma proteins that constitutes about 40 to 60% of total plasma proteins? The correct answer is C. Albumin. The congenital absence of parasympathetic ganglionic nerve cells of the colon and rectum is called as. The correct answer is A. Hirschsprung's disease. What is tonal atresia? The correct answer is A. Congenital obstruction of the nasopharynx. The primary granuloma formed in tuberculosis is known as. The correct answer is B. Gauss focus. Which vitamin does convert prothrombin to thrombin? The correct answer is C. Vitamin K. The umbilical cord contains. The correct answer is C. 2 arteries and 1 vein. Metals produce ringing sounds, they are said to be. The correct answer is D. Sonorous. The stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called an. The correct answer is A. Fetus. The area of inquiry in the grounded theory approach is. The correct answer is A. Social structural process within social setting. The process by which muscular fibers of the cervix are pulled upwards and merged with the fibers of the lower uterine segment is known as. The correct answer is C. Effacement. Which is the mode of inheritance of cystic fibrosis? The correct answer is A. Autosomal recessive. What is the bath used to remove the irritation of certain types of skin diseases and provide soothing effect? The correct answer is A. Hot bath.